we face some difficulties when we work with a lot of data in Excel sheet. Like when you scroll down in this kind of Excel sheet, the main row also scrolling with it and hiding the top. The same thing also happen with columns. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you a pro tips of Microsoft Excel sheet. So in this video I'll show you how to freeze row, columns and both of them together in Microsoft Excel sheet. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, to freeze the top row, here go to view from the top menu, and here you will get an option freeze panes. Click on it and then click on freeze top row. So now if you scroll the Excel sheet, as you can see, the top row is not moving now. The same process also for the first column. As you can see, it's moving now. So go to view and freeze panes. Before use for columns, unfreeze the row. So here click on unfreeze panes. And this time select the third one. Freeze the first column. So now you can see the output. The first column is not moving. Now full and final trick. How we can freeze both of them together? So that's for select a common point between them. The freeze panes tools also suggest you which one you have to select. So it will be this box. Select it and go to freeze panes. And this time select the first one. So hope you understand how to use freeze panes tool in Microsoft Excel. If you wanna get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.